Are you struggling with hearing loss? Do you find yourself isolating yourself from social gatherings? Is hearing loss affecting your quality of life? My name is Chris Medina. I'm a hearing instrument specialist, and I've helped tens of thousands of patients. I have a practice here in Montebello, California, and I've been in business for over 10 years, and I've helped people with bettering their hearing. If you or someone you know is struggling with hearing loss, right now I am offering a free hearing test and consultation and a 7-day trial of our most advanced hearing aids. We also take insurance with a possibility of zero money out of pocket. So click the link below, book your appointment, and I can't wait to see you here.